Are you ready to learn how to build wealth from 0 to 100 million, just like Robert Kiyosaki? It's a journey that starts with small steps and smart decisions. By saving wisely, investing strategically, and continuously learning, you can pave the way for financial success. But what's the one key factor that sets successful wealth builders apart from the rest? In today's video, we will embark on an extraordinary journey towards financial empowerment, guided by the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki. As we delve into the intricacies of building wealth from ground zero to a staggering 100 million, a sense of anticipation fills the air. Our hearts beat with excitement, eager to uncover the transformative insights that can pave the way to prosperity. With each step we take, emotions of hope and determination surge within us, propelling us forward on this exhilarating adventure. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets that hold the key to financial abundance. Save smartly. In our journey to financial success, the first rule is simple: save wisely. This means being smart with our money, not just when times are tough, but at all times. It's about making choices that will benefit us in the long run, even if they require some sacrifice in the short term. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. We invest a little now to reap big rewards later. Saving isn't just about putting money aside. It's a whole mindset. It's about understanding what we truly need versus what we simply want, and being disciplined enough to prioritize our future over immediate desires. So let's start by paying ourselves first, setting aside a portion of our income before anything else. This simple yet powerful habit lays the groundwork for the wealth and security we're aiming to achieve. Start investing. When it comes to building wealth, simply saving money isn't enough. We need to take that next step and put our hard-earned savings to work through smart investments. The best part is, you don't have to be wealthy to start investing. There are now user-friendly apps that cater to even the smallest investors, allowing you to dip your toes into the world of investing with just your spare change. But it's not enough to just sit on the sidelines and watch. We need to take action. Time and the power of compounding interest are on our side, waiting to work their magic and grow our wealth exponentially. Investing isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about understanding the concept of compounding, where our money earns money on top of what we've already earned. And to minimize risks, it's crucial to diversify our investments across different asset classes, whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other innovative platforms. So, let's take that first step. Understand our risk tolerance, do our research, and let our money start working for us, paving the way towards a brighter financial future. Invest in your education. Investing in your education is never a misstep. It's a lifelong asset that appreciates over time. Continuous learning opens new horizons, enhances your professional value, and ensures your relevance in a dynamic job market. Personal development extends beyond the classroom. It's an ongoing journey propelling you towards success. Education isn't merely a means to an end, it's a perpetual journey. Whether acquiring new skills, staying updated on industry trends, or pursuing advanced degrees, every investment in your education pays dividends. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to adapt and learn continuously is a superpower. Consider online courses, workshops, or networking events as avenues for growth. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable an asset you become. Apply and use leverage. Now, let's unveil the power of leverage, your secret weapon in the wealth-building arsenal. Leverage involves using borrowed resources, such as money, time, systems, technology, marketing, and networks to amplify your success. It enables you to transcend personal limitations and turn your dreams into tangible achievements. Financial leverage involves using borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment, strategically using other people's money to enhance your buying power. Time leverage is about achieving maximum results with the least amount of effort. In a world where time is a precious commodity, understanding how to leverage it can be a game changer. Leverage isn't just a tactic, it's a mindset. a way of approaching challenges and opportunities with a creative and resourceful perspective. Treat your wealth like a business. In our final act, we advocate treating your wealth like a well-oiled business machine. As self-made millionaire Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes, clarity of goals is paramount. Jot down your annual income and net worth targets. A financial plan, much like a business plan, becomes your guiding document. Run your finances with the precision of a personal business, because in essence, that's precisely what it is. Treating your wealth like a business extends beyond financial planning. It embodies the mindset you bring to your financial decisions. In a business, every decision aims to maximize value and ensure sustainability. Similarly, with your personal finances, every choice should align with your long-term goals. A well-thought-out financial plan encompasses your current financial situation, your goals, and the strategies you'll employ to achieve them. It's your roadmap to success, helping you navigate the twists and turns of your financial journey. Cultivate multiple streams of income. Diversification is key to building lasting wealth. Cultivating multiple streams of income ensures you're not overly reliant on a single source for financial stability. Explore various avenues such as side hustles, freelance work, rental properties, or royalties from creative endeavors. Each additional income stream not only boosts your earning potential, but also provides a safety net against economic downturns or unexpected expenses. Remember, the more diverse your income sources, the more resilient your financial foundation becomes. Surround yourself with mentors and like-minded individuals. Success leaves clues, and one of the most effective ways to accelerate your wealth-building journey is by surrounding yourself with mentors and like-minded individuals. Seek out individuals who have achieved the level of success you aspire to and learn from their experiences and insights. Join communities, forums, or mastermind groups where you can exchange ideas, receive guidance, and draw inspiration from others on a similar path. Remember, your network is your net worth, and building meaningful connections can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Adapt and evolve continuously. The path to wealth is not static. It requires adaptability and continuous evolution. Keep abreast of market trends, technological advancements, and changes in economic landscapes. Remain flexible in your approach, willing to pivot when necessary, and embrace innovation and change. Success often lies on the other side of discomfort, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and explore new opportunities. By staying agile and resilient, you position yourself to thrive in any environment and seize opportunities for growth and prosperity. Congratulations on embarking on this transformative journey towards financial freedom. By implementing these 9 dynamic steps, you're laying the groundwork for a future of abundance and prosperity. Remember, wealth is not merely about accumulating material possessions. It's about achieving peace of mind and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Commit to these principles, nurture your financial fitness, and watch as your wealth ascends to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this expansive exploration. If you found value in these insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Until next time, may your journey be filled with success and fulfillment.